The student wants to present the study and its methodology. So in other words, we want to know how the research was conducted. So let's read student's note. Ducklings expend up to 62.8% less energy when swimming in a line behind their mother than when swimming alone. So we have a topic sentence that talks about ducklings and how it uses less energy when swimming behind its mother than compared to when swimming alone. And second line is describing what the physics behind this energy savings hasn't always been well understood. So it's talking about physics. Unfortunately, physics did not work out well up until this guy, naval architect Zaiming Yuan, used computer simulations right there. Okay, we're talking about how the research is conducted, and now you can see that he's using this technology, computer simulations, to study the effect of mother duck's wake. The study revealed the ducklings are pushed in a forward direction by the waves. Okay, the study is referring to the computer simulations conducted by the architect. So we have the reason. Okay, so this is a reason or conclusion that was drawn from these computer simulations. Yuan determined the push reduces effect of wave drag on the duckling by 158%. Okay, so this is also a conclusion. So the most important thing I'll say here is this computer simulation. So if you see that, because it's a specific method used to conduct the research, we want to really see computer simulation in the answer choice. A study revealed that ducklings, which expend up to 62.8% less energy when swimming in a line behind their mother, also experience. Okay, so this sentence describes or reiterate the first line of the student's note, and this is not describing any methodology here, so we can eliminate that. It only states that it uses less energy when behind each mother. So A is not right. B, seeking to understand how ducklings swimming in a line behind their mother save energy, Zaiming Yuan used a computer simulation. Yes, that's what I've been waiting for. Computer simulations to study the effect of the mother duck's wake. Okay. So it mentioned that computer simulation I mentioned earlier as a methodology. So this is a good one, but just in case better things pops up, let's look at choice C. Zaiming Yuan studied the physics behind the fact that by being pushed in a forward direction by waves, ducklings save energy. Okay, that's part of the conclusion. Okay, you know what? I should not really have highlighted this. Yes, conclusion, but not the methodology. Okay, so this would be more like line 4 that describe the line 4 and 5 about the conclusion. Actually, more like line 4. And then this is really line 5 here, what he drew from his research. So we want to focus on what the question asks, the methodology, and that match with the computer simulations to gather his data and come up to a conclusion. The correct answer is B.